So how do you go back to the factory settings on the iPad? Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So it can be found in the main settings app by tapping the general section, and at the bottom you have the transfer or reset iPad menu. So a couple of different things, but it depends now if you want to completely erase it, including the content like the photos, contacts, and all of that, or if you just want to reset the settings. Because you can click on the reset and click on reset all settings. It means that your iPad will keep the same apps, the same photos, and all of the data on the device, but it will reset the settings, right? So if you had set up some different stuff like, I don't know, like adjustment for the brightness or whatever, it will make it go back to the factory settings the way it came out of the box, but it will keep your files and everything stored on the iPad. The contrary option is clicking the erase all content and settings, which will not only go back to the official or original settings mode, but it will also erase and delete all of your content, data, apps, contacts, photos, everything. So the iPad will be as if it were like fresh out of the box. So that is the difference, but you can find it in here. Let me know if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss explanations and quick guides like this, and I'll talk to you in the upcoming tutorials as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.